this beautiful, beautiful moth outside my house. I don't know if the cat got it or whatever, but I don't think it's gonna make it. So I just brought it in here and let it. Just so pretty. Look at the artwork that God put on it. So beautiful. Oh, trying to fly. It's like when animals are in their element, it's like it gives them that electricity. But a lot of times we bring animals in the house, it lose it. So it's like, you know, if once it move on and I just bring it back in and just keep it. Oh, sorry, Mom. You're so pretty. I went by Spirit because he been flying with the broke wings. Look at there. You see how something in its natural state and it automatically, no matter how broken up it is, it try to hold on and fight. You study nature?
What if